Okay, mate. Yeah, sorry for the late reply. I know this was yesterday. This is just kind of before I was sleeping, and I never got time to answer. Woke up today and I had to work with the programmers and just doing lots of upgrades and stuff. So let's look at this. This is obviously just before the daily candle, 7 a.m., 7:59 a.m., just before the daily candle opens. So let's have a look at it, see what happened from then and what we think is going to happen. Um, Yeah, it's been crazily beat down. It's down today 5%. It did try and push open, got that bit of rejection. Pretty bad rejection at this point. It kind of implies don't FOMO into this, and there's a likelihood that you may get a better opportunity to buy somewhere in here. So I don't think there is a major reason to FOMO. I'm not sure if you bought this for the new daily open as you were looking at it just then. There definitely was a nice bounce, 15, what's that, 17%. So it's a pretty bad rejection. That's a 20% drop. So at this point, I would definitely leave it. I do like this though. I think that this will probably round back out down here and come back up. Right? I think that's very, very possible. You can see here, very interestingly, a beautiful kind of doji. If you look at the last time this happened, it was a red doji, but we formed a doji like this. From there, the next week we continue to pump. I'm not saying we're going to pump back up like that, but there definitely could be an opportunity here, to get some sort of upside, especially trading on the new week. If you look at this candle right here, we basically just flipped green on a new week and had a good pump. That's probably a 20% bounce in there, just in that week alone, 25, 20. You know, so it looks like there is going to be some opportunity in this for sure. So even though this has got a pretty bad rejection today, I don't think it's that bad. Like it can push over a bit, but I think it'll bring opportunity. So my advice on this one is yes, it still looks good, but I would like, because of this rejection, I would like to buy a little bit lower down in here and look for that play back up.